Friends, everyone wants success, but very few are willing to give everything to achieve it. If you truly want to reach your dreams, remember, success never comes easy. One of the biggest mistakes we make is doubting ourselves. We think, I can't do this. This is not for me. I'm just an ordinary person. But look at successful people. Were they born successful? No. They failed many times, but they never gave up. Let me tell you a real story that can change your life. There was a man named Colonel Harlan Sanders. At the age of 65, he started his business. Over 1,000 restaurants rejected him, but he didn't stop. He didn't lose hope. And today, his brand KFC is one of the most popular in the world. What can you learn from this? You haven't lost until you quit. So how can you achieve your dreams? 1. Dream big. If your dream is small, you will never achieve great things. Dare to dream big. 2. Improve yourself every day. Success doesn't happen overnight. Work on yourself every single day, even if it's just 1% improvement. 3. Accept failure. Remember, failure is not the end. It's a lesson. Every successful person has failed, but they learned from it and kept moving forward. 4. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Trust in your potential and use it. Friends, if you quit today, you may never get another chance to fulfill your dreams. But if you try once more, if you show a little courage, this moment could be the turning point of your life. One thing all successful people say, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Now it's your time. Change yourself, make your dreams a reality, move forward, and prove to the world that you can do it.